This weekend we worked on restorating some of the Bronco's body. In the beginning here, I'm just going to be showing you the main rusty spots and parts that need to be fixed. I'm not showing all of the rust spots on this vehicle because there are quite a few, but I am trying to show the worst. This is one of the worst at the top of the roof, quite a big hole, which is actually the reason we think that the panel beside the door rusted out that I'm going to show you in a second. Right here, it's a pretty severe hole. It's fully detached right there, so it definitely needs to get fixed. Sadly, the tailgates on these Broncos usually have quite a bit of rust, so this is the bottom of the tailgate. It's looking extremely bad. The whole bottom is just rust, but it can be fixed luckily. This is under the side of the driver's roof. We did already start doing a little work, which I forgot to show, but that's okay. And the driver wheel well was absolutely destroyed, so we are going to be totally replacing that in this video.
In our rear left quarter panel, got it all cut out. Trying to line up the new one. Got to do some grinding, so put you right here. Let y'all watch us work. bit with our hammer and dolly. Get our body back in the hand.
That's a 3-actual bed.
Goal is to get all the blue in there so you don't see the streaks. It's just one uniform color. gap. We already got fiberglass filler on, and now we're going to go over it with body filler. Try to get it smooth and straight. I just cleaned it with wax and grease remover, but obviously I did not do a good job, and it's already hardening. We'll continue the body work next week on the 87 Bronco. We've got our quarter panel pretty much patched in. Fiberglass filler, we're doing the final body work. Little piece here we got to weld back. Still low there, we got to work it with some more filler. Body line is pretty straight on the front and the back where we spliced in the other panel. So next time we'll be continuing the body work on this. Hope to see y'all.